So if you followed this channel long enough, why is the camera crooked? Okay, hold on a second. Let me fix this. So if you followed this channel long enough, then you would know I had the X7 M with the stealth hitch. And I liked it because it was invisible, it clicked underneath, and when I wasn't towing and I had the receiver in, there was nothing. You had no idea that this car even had a towing package or any type of towing assembly there. And the bumper remained clean and sporty. Well, Tony, who made the upgraded brakes that you've seen before, he has made this towing receiver. I'll link it in the description, his contact information, but he crafted this towing receiver cover in a way where it blends in and it doesn't stand out to look like, hey everybody, I got a towing hitch here. Especially if you have a white vehicle, I feel like a white X7s, I always tell because this area is just kind of disrupted. Especially if a car like this, you know, this is not like a heavy duty truck or anything where you see the exposed hitch. Like, one reason why did I get the hitch in my wife's car, because look how clean this is. I mean, this is, we're not doing towing with this car, but just look how that bumper flows. If we opted for the hitch, it would have kind of broke that piece up. Here's the piece near. He had it professionally painted to match the car, and I'm going to install it now. First thing is just popping this out. This pin here is going to click in to the inside, so all I have to do is really just plug it in. Comes with this felt here. He said I can remove it if it doesn't fit well. So I'm gonna pull this pin, this cotter pin here. And let's see how this thing, yeah, it's gotta go this way. And I have to take the felt off. So I'm gonna pull this felt tape off here. And all I'm doing is just kind of working it little by little. All right, so now I'm just gonna insert it here. Oh my gosh, man, this looks OEM. Why couldn't BMW make something like this before? Why didn't they make this factory? This is seriously, right there, there's the hole. So I'm going to insert my pen through there. Okay. You want to insert the pin on the other side, the driver's side. I tried to do it on the passenger side first, and I just couldn't have enough room, so if you can see that. So here I am on the passenger side of the hitch, and then I'm going to insert my pin through there. Here we go. Easier if I get the J of the hitch pin in the upright position. Then you can see here there's a flap. So I'm going to insert the pin through there. Okay, and then I'm going to push it in. All right, that's it. Like you see it there, it's in. If I need to take it out, I can just rotate it. See, I can just pull it. I'm not taking it all the way out, but if I just want to take it out, see, I can pull right there. It's almost out, and then push it in. All right, that stays in place. Let's see what we got here. Flush hitch cover. That's factory paint match. This looks OEM. Tony, great job. If BMW should pay you to make this for all their cars. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more. I'll have more DIYs coming soon.